Hello, everyone. Today we're going to be creating a beautiful mandala. Before we get started, let's first take a look at some of the characteristics that define a mandala. First, mandalas are spiritual symbols used by different religions like Hinduism and Buddhism. A symbol is something that represents or stands for something else. A heart shape, for instance, can represent love. A white dove can represent peace. An apple can represent knowledge. An owl can represent wisdom, and so on and so forth. Mandalas are symbols that represent the universe. This is why the circle is so important in a mandala. It is used to represent the idea that life is never ending and that everything and everyone are connected. The word mandala itself means magic circle in Sanskrit, which is an ancient Indian language. The circle, thus, is used to unify the whole mandala together in a way that it creates balance, unity, and a sense of wholeness or of being complete. So how is a mandala made? A mandala is made using special tools like protractors and rulers, which help create repetitive designs all around the center circle. This repetition makes the image look the same on all sides, and it is known as radial symmetry. You can easily find radial symmetry in many natural forms that are round. For instance, flowers, plants, snowflakes, spider webs, the bark of a tree, and so on and so forth. If you think about it, even our iris and our pupil in our eyes are like mini mandalas. So next time you're out and about, try to keep an eye out for natural mandalas. That would be fun. Also, mandalas are usually elaborated by Tibetan monks. They use different colored sand, very detailed and carefully elaborated shapes and imagery, and lots of symbols. They work in large scales, and it usually takes them about a week or more to complete a single one. Once the mandala is fully complete, the monks then use it as part of a ceremony and then brush it away into a river. This is done to represent that nothing is permanent in this life and that everything is ever changing.